What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be continuing on with our iOS development with UIKit series. And in this particular tutorial, this is going to be a relatively quick one, but we are going to be taking a look at how we can customize the appearance of the keyboard. Now, we've already taken a look at how we can do the keyboard type and all that stuff, and sure, that changes the appearance of the keyboard, but that's not the aspect of the appearance I'm talking about. We're going to be taking a look at how we can change the color scheme part of the appearance of our keyboard for our text field. There are a few different things that we can do here. We can make it look dark, as if like it belongs in dark mode. We can make it light, and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and go into our view controller. Above where we have our toolbar for our keyboard, and we'll say value field dot keyboard. I believe it's keyboard appearance. Yep, keyboard appearance equals dot. And we have default, dark, and light. We also have alert. But we're going to focus primarily on light and dark. So right now, we have it set to, right now by default, it's obviously going to be set to default. And this will change based on, this will allow it to change based on whether you're in light or dark mode, but you can tell it always be dark or always be light. So let's take a look at light here, and we can save this and run our application. It's launching in our simulator. Let it kind of do its thing here. We want the simulator. All right. So let's see here. Where is it? Okay, there it is. We want enter a value, so we can go ahead and tap on that. We're currently editing, or at least we should be. Yep. Okay, so we are currently editing the field. Let's go ahead and go up to the toolbar under I/O. We can say keyboard and toggle software keyboard. So here's our software keyboard. You can see it's in light mode, which is precisely what we told it to do. All right. So what if we say dark? Or rather, let's actually change the appearance of our simulator first, so we can kind of get an idea. Okay, so it looks like they did not it looks like that's not fixed in the simulator. I thought they would have fixed it by now, but they didn't. So we're supposed to be able to switch from light and dark modes using Command-Shift-A in our simulator, but they didn't fix that, apparently. But that's fine. So let's go back into our Xcode. And instead of light, we'll say .dark. So go ahead and run that. Let it do its thing here. We can enter a value. And so now our keyboard is in dark mode, right? So where we have black keys with white text and all that kind of stuff. So that's great and all. It'd be nice if we could change the appearance in our simulator, but it doesn't want to work, right? Let's take a quick look inside of the documentation, and we can see exactly how what the alert keyboard type is supposed to do. So let's say Safari. We can say Apple Developer Documentation UI Keyboard Appearance .alert. All right, and then let's see. It should be the first link here. Yep. All right. Because I've never used the alert keyboard appearance before, and I wanted to show you in this video again, reiterate how you can go and look up a lot of this stuff, how it's perfectly fine to look at this stuff in the up in the documentation. So let's go ahead. Yep. Okay. All right. Let's see. Platforms. Okay. Okay. So from the looks of it in the documentation, the alert type for the keyboard appearance is deprecated, so we should not use it. But this was used for displaying a keyboard that's suitable for kind of like an alert. And it looks like it suggests let's see. It looks like it wants us to use dark instead if we want to use alert. So let's take a look at the availability here. So it looks like it's available on anything above 2.0, anything 2.0 for iPad, Mac Catalyst 13.0 and later. Let's see, tvOS 9 and later, and visionOS 1 and later. However, since it doesn't give us a cutoff, it sounds like, much like Navigation View in SwiftUI, it has been soft deprecated for now. All right. So really that about does it for how we can change the keyboard's color appearance using the keyboard appearance property of our text field. Thank you all so very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.